Struggling with homework, drowning in emails, or stuck on a content idea? Meet Gemini, Google's free smart assistant that can change the way you study, work, and live. Let me show you exactly how to use it. First, Gemini for students. Students, here's your secret weapon. Get instant homework help. Just snap a photo of math problem, 10 pages into summarized notes in seconds. Create presentation outline for any topic. Generate practice questions and flashcard for exam prep. Study smarter, not hard. Second, Gemini for office work. Professionals, this saves hours a week. Write professional emails with one prompt. Analyze spreadsheets. Ask Gemini to find trends or explain formulas. Summarize meeting transcripts into action points. Draft reports and brainstorm fresh ideas in real time. For intern to manager, everyone's manager. Third, Gemini for content creators. Creators, beat the blank page. Generate YouTube scripts with hooks and call to action. Build blog outline complete with SEO suggestion. Write platform ready caption for Instagram, LinkedIn or TikTok. Find hidden keywords ideas that actually rank. Your content engine got an upgrade. 4. Gemini for daily life. Gemini isn't just for work. Use it every day. Plan a personalized travel in seconds. Get recipe based on what's in your fridge. Create a fitness and meal plan that fits your goals. Build a simple budget or learn a new skills like coding, language, or even cooking. Life admin. 5th, best extensions and app. Gemini work where you do. On Android, just say hey Google or use the Gemini app. Inside Gmail, summarize threads and draft replies. In Google Docs, write, edit and format hand-free. With Chrome, summarize any web page or YouTube video instantly. Seamless, free, deeply integrated. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Most beginners get these wrong. Don't be one of them. Never trust AI blindly. Always fact check the important information. Bad instruction, bad result. Be specific and give examples. Privacy matters. Never share password, bank detail and sensitive personal data. Use Gemini smartly, not carelessly. Gemini is free to start and it's already on your phone. Save this guide, follow these steps and turn AI into everyday's advantage.